this could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
YouTube, what's booming? It's your guy DH Pyro back again with another video here with Optimus Explosion and Bee Sting, both 27 shots. I like these cakes. These cakes are the cube cakes. You know what I'm saying? So what you do is basically connect it here, and it fits in, there, or this way. Shit, hold on. So they connect like that. So yeah, we're gonna do the Bee Sting and the Optimus Explosion. Let's make some noise, baby. Nice. Very good. Very nice. Like, comment, and subscribe.